The classic Range Rover, probably one of the most iconic and well-loved four-wheel drives of all time. But what if it was a modern-day vehicle? Well, let's take a look and find out. This Classic is based on a Discovery Series 3, 2.7 single turbo, 6-speed automatic gearbox, built on the Land Rover Discovery floor pan, firewall, inner guards. Moving to the back, interior is all Discovery 3, but you still have your iconic classic Range Rover shape. So we've used a donor Land Rover Discovery Series 3, 2.7 single turbo, 6-speed transmission. Inside the vehicle, dashboard is Discovery 3, radio, air conditioning system, gear levers, centre console. We're even incorporating the fridge into the vehicle. Discovery seats, fully electric, fully heated. You've still got your armrests that originally came from the Land Rover Range Rover anyway. You have all your mod cons, you have your air suspension system, you have your terrain response system, electronic handbrake, electric windows and central locking. The classic Range Rover we're using is a 1980 5-door variant. That gives us a very good starting point on the wheelbase to meet the Discovery 3. We have our wheelbase set by our classic Range Rover, which means we needed to shorten the chassis of our D3. We've done this all but in the centre of the vehicle on this conversion. We've beefed up our join, so we have as good as, if not better, off-roading capability and towing. Everything from the front to the centre of the vehicle is standard. Everything from the centre back is standard. There's just a few things we have to modify to meet in the middle. We start by shortening the chassis, then we cut the shell of the D3, take off all the side panels, so we're only left with a floor pan and firewall. We then mate that onto the top and we cut the length of the D3 body shell out to allow us to fit straight on top of the chassis with the classic Range Rover shell. We then build up the side walls of the classic Range Rover, creating a new shell. But essentially, it's still a D3 chassis underneath. So this is our classic Range Rover headlining. It's a very old headlining, so we're having to repair it. We're using fiberglass because that reinforces it. We're also incorporating the Discovery 3 courtesy lights, ultrasonic sensors, so all the alarm system stays factory. We are moving their position slightly so we can make it a little bit better for passenger comfort. As the Range Rover is a little bit shorter, we need to move things around a little bit. The customer wanted to incorporate the two. It's been spoken about around the world to do this kind of project. We wanted to do it properly. We wanted to incorporate the two vehicles into one. So it is one modern classic Range Rover. We always knew that this was going to be a project, that you learn from this project so you can apply it to other projects. This car is a piece of art and we are learning on how to make the process a lot simpler and a lot quicker. We can even do the supercharged AJ V8 from the Sport Range Rover. We are currently moving to our next project. So this is our Austin 10. This is soon to become our Audi S4 V8 four-wheel drive.